Ever heard of clove water? I'm diving into 10 surprising uses of clove water for your health and wellness. Let's get started. First up, oral health. Clove water can work wonders as a mouthwash. It reduces bad breath, soothes gum inflammation, and fights off bacteria that cause tooth decay. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, your mouth will thank you. Next, let's talk digestion. Drinking clove water can help ease digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It stimulates digestive enzymes, making your tummy feel much happier. Got a cold or cough? Clove water can come to the rescue. It acts as a natural remedy for reducing symptoms like sore throat and cough. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a great expectorant. Speaking of anti-inflammatory, clove water can help with conditions like arthritis. Whether you drink it or apply it topically, it can reduce inflammation and pain. A natural way to feel better. For skin health, clove water is a gem. Applied topically, it can reduce acne, soothe skin irritation, and promote clearer skin. Its antibacterial and antioxidant properties are the key players here. Now on to boosting your immune system. Regular consumption of clove water can strengthen your immunity. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, helping to fight free radicals and prevent infections. If you're concerned about blood sugar levels, clove water might help. It can improve insulin sensitivity and potentially regulate blood sugar. A helpful tip for those with diabetes or at risk. Your liver will also thank you for drinking clove water. It supports liver function by detoxifying the body and reducing oxidative stress. A great way to keep your liver healthy. Looking to manage your weight? Clove water, combined with a balanced diet, can boost metabolism and reduce hunger cravings. A simple addition to your weight loss journey. Last but not least, let's talk hair growth. Applying clove water to your scalp or using it as a rinse can stimulate hair growth and reduce dandruff. Its antifungal properties make your scalp healthier. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.